Next time on DevCentral Connects. Your apps are out there waiting for you to take all control. We want to show you the way. On Tuesday, Tyler Hatton from Worldwide Technology returns for a special DevCentral Connects event Tuesday, February 9th at 8 a.m. Pacific. Last time, he took us through the hands-on HashiCorp Terraform lab, and this time, he'll be sharing the F5 Ansible lab with Jason, John, and the entire community. Once again, you can choose your own adventure. You can register for the hands-on lab and work through it with us, or just join us on the live stream and follow along. The links in the description get you registered and sets your reminder. We want you to get hands-on too.